Parish in south central Louisiana, northwestern St. Martin Parish in south central Louisiana, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for Lafayette Parish in south central Louisiana, northwestern St. Martin Parish in south central Louisiana, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ridge, or near Scott, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lafayette, Scott, Karen Grove, Broussard, and Youngsville around 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Willow Bridge around 9:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. St. Martinville around 9:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include parks. This includes the following highways: Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 94 and
or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.
Or in a vehicle,
on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.
Flood watch.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
KDN's hottest hits, 30 minutes. Come on. Je ne sais plus.
Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection,
Charles has issued a special marine warning for Central and East Coast Blanche Bays. Coastal waters from Intercoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Lower Atchafalaya River to Intercoastal City, Louisiana, out 20 nautical miles. Vermilion and West Coast Blanche Bays, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles north of Vermilion Bay to 11 nautical miles northeast of White Lake to 6 nautical miles north of Vermilion 22, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include South Marsh Island 217, South Marsh Island 239, Marsh Island, South Marsh Island 249, Eugene Island 24, South Marsh Island 268, South Marsh Island 236, Eugene Island 28, Vermilion Bay, South Marsh Island 243, South Marsh Island 281, Vermilion 24, Vermilion 67, Vermilion 22, Vermilion 31, Vermilion 51, West Coast Blanche Bay, Vermilion 39, Eugene Island 30, and Vermilion 38. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for south central and southwestern Louisiana and the adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. Flood watch now.